I came late to the dock on Monday after attending another commitment. This is how things looked in the afternoon. Preparations are underway to lift out a platform support.
Top down, hear the sound of the breeze carrying us away. Dust in the rear view, free as a bird, this is our time.
In the future MTO parking area, conduit already laid for lamp posts is being covered up, ready for compaction. Nearby, SBC are loading tow pins for transport to site. Work on another section of the trench for lighting continues. Along the dock extension, SBC continue to apply the vibrating hammers to the work of piling. Sometimes driving in, and sometimes lifting out.
Baby, we were born to run. Take them back road, let's make a great escape.
Tuesday sees the anticipated compaction of the gravel over the conduit. Later in the day, EXP arrive to undertake the objective assessment of the gravel compaction. The device in use is a nuclear densitometer. It's an opportunity for some to enjoy a snack break. Before the day is over, the first sonotubes, perfectly leveled, will be in place. Along the piling wall, work is going on to close the dam. At the other end of the extension, supports are being cut out and removed. All the while, there's continued development of structures at the near shore end of the extension. We'll close Tuesday, noting that there are preparations for work on the south ramp tower. Returning on Thursday after celebrating Canada Day, we find a GIP team busy. It quickly becomes clear that unexplained damage sustained to the tower in early June is to be repaired. Up beside Ontario Street, we see Sousa back, but technical challenges mean that concrete cannot be poured. There's better news on the electrical front. Lamp bases look ready to receive concrete. At the far end of the extension, there's good news too, when it becomes clear that one of the original king piles is coming out. The demands of the grouting operation see a delivery of water during the day. At the ramp tower, construction of a working platform is well underway. Towards the end of the south finger, the vacuum mooring station is receiving attention too. On the east end of the pile work, a new linking support is being installed. And close to shore, we can see the king pile removed earlier. It does not have a bright future. Friday will see it being cut up. Beside the ramp, a safe, stable working platform is very near completion. This is how things looked as the week drew to a close. Notably, during the day, the truck delivered a large number of H-beams. Perhaps it was one of these, undergoing installation, later in the day. It certainly received a great deal of close attention. But then not a single pile is driven in carelessly. No single contributor has a more significant role to play than any other, but the work of the surveyors is absolutely critical to success. Saturday once again saw work underway. Whalers were going in, and beams were being repositioned. In such a confined space, juggling is one of the skills required of the crew. To close this week, we'll take a look along the length of the dock extension, noting the water storage tanks, the prostrate drill, and the 3 cranes. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next week.